because to get in a single shot, there was no editing. To get in a single shot the same word as if it is being rewound, you know, it is very tough. थोड़ा बहुत तो चेंज होता है यार. आपने 3 सेकंड जिंदगी ज्यादा जी है तो उसका भी फर्क पड़ता है. But I had to, it was very tough for me. I had to really earn my roti that day, you know. Yeah, I mean, एक्टिंग में कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि इतनी अच्छी लगती है एक्टिंग करनी कि आपको तो है ना आंख मार के आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बोलने का मन होता है कि ये कितने मूर्ख लोग हैं, जो काम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है करना उसके लिए मुझे पैसे दे रहे हैं. एक्टिंग का नशा, एक्टिंग का पैशन ऐसा हो सकता है, लेकिन when you hit certain roadblocks in your process, at that time you realize how much work goes into it. And I didn't realize this. For example, I learnt it the very tough way because Mr. Santoshi finally said okay on the 37th take. For 37 takes, you know क्या हुआ? सबसे पहले तो सेट पे सब लोग हंसने लगे, पहली बार किया तो. फिर दूसरी बार मैं हंसने लगा, फिर तीसरी बार रणबीर हंस पड़ा, फिर चौथी बार कैमरामैन हंस पड़ा, फिर पांचवी बार इतना अच्छा हुआ कि संतोषी खुद हंस पड़े. तो काट बोल के अरे यार कौन हंस रहा था? तो संतोषी सेड सॉरी इट वाज मी सर, आई एम सॉरी. बट दैट वाज द बेस्ट टेक. बट then we got it, then again we got it. We lost it. We lost it for 31 more takes, and on 37th take, we got it all together again. In fact, if you can get a chance of seeing a film called Being There, it's a film starring Peter Sellers. I'm not talking about the film. You see the end credit roll. What they've done is, the first time, ये जो एक शुरुआत हुई कि जो एनजी टेक्स होते हैं उसको वो लोग दिखाते हैं, राइट? कि क्या क्या जलवे हुए थे सेट पर उस दिन, तो पूरे एनजी टेक्स दिखाते हैं. Mr. Peter Sellers plays the role of a man who for 60 years has no contact with the world except through television. A one-way contact where he watches television, and that is his entire set of experience about how the world is. He has not got out of his house. For 60 years, he has not got out of his house. He's driven away from the house when he's 61. And then he meets two, I think the scene is where he has been hurt by maybe a knife slash by two black people who, mug him in a street. And he's lying on some stretcher, and, maybe, one of them has said something about telling that you go and tell that to those MFs, those blips, ऐसा करके उसने कुछ गाली दी है. तो उन्हें ये लगता है कि ये उसको एक्चुअली मैसेज देना है. He has been told to give a message, तो वो अभी उसको देना पड़ेगा. तो वो जो डॉक्टर उसको ट्रीट कर रहा है उसको वो बोलता है कि उसने ऐसा बोला है तुम्हें बोलने के लिए. And it is he has to do it very seriously. And he would always crack up because it was a very funny situation. तो बीइंग देयर के एंड रोल में, एंड क्रेडिट रोल में उन्होंने ये सारे एनजी टेक्स एक साथ रखे हैं, एंड देन दे शो यू द टेक दैट इज फाइनली देयर इन द फिल्म, द ओके टेक. गूज़बम्प्स अभी आ रहे हैं मेरे शरीर पे जब मैं इसकी बात आपके साथ शेयर करता हूं, क्योंकि क्या उसमें उन्होंने किया है, इट्स अ वेरी क्लेवर वे ऑफ डूइंग इट. लोग हंस पड़ते हैं तो सेट पे हंसता है, कोई असिस्टेंट हंसने लगता है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हंसने लगता है, खुद पीटर सेलर्स साहब कुछ 6-7 बार हंस पड़ते हैं कि सॉरी यार ये नहीं होता, कम ऑन करके वो वापस, एंड दैट क्लैप बोर्ड. एंड देन व्हेन ही डिलीवर्स इट करेक्टली, there is a silence like this. And then somebody starts clapping because it's a beautiful take. And the director forgets to say cut. Somebody starts clapping and someone joins, and then the entire set starts clapping. And that clap reaches a crescendo. That's when they've dissolved the image of Mr. Peter Sellers lying on the stretcher. And that is the end of the film. When you see that, you also notice how very small differences are there between an NG take and an OK take. Difference is not much, but it is the coming together of a moment, the truth of the moment that you recreate at that particular moment of time, the here and now of that particular, scene, where everything is just correct, where your co-artist's reaction is also just correct, where the pauses are just correct, where the silence is just correct, everything is just correct. It need not be your own best performance. So, the fact about emotional memory is that you have to trigger it, but then you have to be in the present too. You have to be here and now to create it, which is the magic of film acting. I have never felt that on stage. On stage, I am always in command of myself. On stage, I exactly know, I have been told that, and that's where I am also a student. I should actually be sitting here. I have been told that if you can develop the ability of watching yourself while you are acting,